Ever feel drained with the energy around you? This crystal kit is your personal shield. It helps with protection, helps you with grounding, and also brings that courage within your life. Let's delve a little bit deeper into this crystal kit. Grounding and protection crystal kit is thoughtfully designed to help keep your energy balanced, protect your aura, and keep you steady no matter what life throws at you. Whether you're at work, out in the public, or you need some extra support at home, these crystals have got your back. I'm going to go through Red Jasper, Hematite, and also Tiger's Eye as well. I use this kit whenever I feel a little bit overwhelmed or unsettled inside. My hematite helps to ground me, but also protect me against any negativity that's coming my way. So it protects my aura. It also protects my thoughts as well. Sometimes we have that self-talk that's a little bit harsh, and hematite kind of softens that inner voice. The other crystal, which is the Red Jasper, for me, it's a grounding crystal, but it also stimulates my energy to help me to get my stamina going, to get things done. And then my Tiger's Eye, I've been using Tiger's Eye for many, many years now. It helps with my confidence and it helps with my courage, and it's a nice grounding, but it's also a protective crystal as well. So these three crystals work in harmony with each other. You can carry them, you can pop them in the pocket, or you can place them on your desk or at your bedside table or on your altar. At the moment, I have Tiger's Eye in my pocket, and this is a crystal that's with me pretty much all the time. I sometimes wear it in bracelet form as well. And we have the bracelets, and the bracelets are here, the Tiger's Eye bracelets, and available on the website as well. Ready to ground your energy and protect your space. The crystal kit is available on my website at Inner Cave Crystals. If you have any questions about the crystals, feel free to comment on this video and I will get back to you. Have a great day, everybody.